We're here at the private closed range. Plenty of wood and backdrop and plenty of woodlands behind us where everything's safe to shoot. We're going to be testing the prototype today, the bulletproof Pauldron. So we're going to see what it can do. So right now we have our, we're going to start off with the 22 Ruger. We're going to start, then we're going to move up to the 9mm, and we have a 38 Special, 357 Magnum. Then we're going to go to the 223, and the closest thing we have to a 7.62 by 39 is our good old 30-30. So we'll see how she does and enjoy the show. My dad downrange setting up the targets. Alright, so we have our prototype model set up down here. What we're going to do is we're going to shoot it with each caliber. We're going to mark each hole as we shoot each one. And then at the end we'll peel off the padding off the back and take a look at the damage and see what it was able to stop and what it wasn't. The reason I'm not peeling off the padding now is because it's part of the system. So if you peel off the padding and the cushioning behind it, then you could be messing with the ballistics. So what we have right now, as you can see here, we have it set up with a simulated arm, a log behind it, and we have cardboard off to the sides to kind of see what happens with deflection and any kind of spalling and things like that, see which direction bullets actually go. Alright, so here we go. So, eyes and ears everybody, safety first. First we're going to start off with the 22 out of the Ruger. Alright. Alright, so here's the 22. As we can see, definitely nothing in that one on the first one. So we're going to mark it and we'll move on to the 9. Alright, next up we got a 9mm. We're using a pretty standard 125 grain hollow point out of a Beretta PX4 Storm. Approximately 10-15 yards here. Just to see how she does. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this is our 9mm right here. As you can see on the other side, definitely nothing through it. Alright, moving on to the 38. Alright, next up we got the good old 38 Special. We're going to see how that does and then bump it up to the 357 Magnum. So first up, 38 Special. Here we go. Oh, go ahead. Alright, Dad's up. He's going to be shooting the 357 Magnum. Here we go. Alright, this is the new one. This is the 357 Magnum. And we got nothing. Upward and onward to the 223.
Here.
Alright, we're up to the 223. Fully custom. We're looking at 60 grain full metal jackets. Alright, let's give it a go. Alright, ladies and gents, I guess this is where the prototype ends. To a good old 223. And we got a hole. Wah wah. Alright, so back to the drawing board, but that's what prototypes are for, right? Alright, so we will revise our layers, and we will see you at the range next time. Take care. Alright, so interestingly enough, we tried a 56 grain ballistic VMAX out of the 223, and that did not penetrate, but the 50 grain full metal jacket did. So the hollow point, it will stop, but the full metal jacket, it will not. So given that information, the 3030 here is just for shits and giggles because it will definitely go through. So why not? Here we go. The 1/8 inch aluminum that it cavitated. See, again, right here, this is where the hollow point 223 would have landed, and it's got nothing. This is the full metal jacket. That's the 3030. So, all right.